Hola, wie geht's euch? Today we will be learning about the alphabets. Heute werden wir das Alphabet lernen. Beginnen wir. A. A für Äpfel. Äpfel means apple. B. B für Ball. Ball means ball. C für Creme. Creme means cream. D für Dose. Dose means can. A für Eier. Eier means many eggs. I means one egg. F für Flughafen. Flughafen means airport. G für Geld. Geld is money. H für Hund. Hund is dog. E für Ingenieur. Ingenieur means engineer. J für Jacke. Jacke means jacket. K for Kuchen. L für Löffel. Löffel means spoon. M für Mango. Mango is mango. N für Nase. Nase means nose. O für Obst. Obst means fruits. P für Papagei. Papagei means parrot. Q für Quadratmeter. Quadratmeter means square meters. R für Radio. Radio means radio. S für Sahne. Sahne means cream. T für Tür. Tür means door. U für Uhr. Uhr means clock. V für Volkswagen. W für Wolke. Wolke means clouds. X für Xylophone. Xylophone means a xylophone. Y für Yoga. Z für Zucker. Zucker means sugar. These are the 26 alphabets of German. Let's say it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's have a look at the vowels. Vowels are called as Vokale. Vokale. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U are the regular vowels. We have 3 special vowels in German. They are called A umlaut, O umlaut and U umlaut. The 2 dots on the letters are called as umlaut. So we have 8 vowels in German. They are A, E, I, O, U, A umlaut, O umlaut and U umlaut. Now let's say them in German. A, E, O, U, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. These are the 26 letters and the 8 alphabets of German language. Please like and share my videos. Also subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for recent updates. Dankeschön!